Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will going to solve LeetCode problem number 709, which is called to lowercase. This problem help us to understand string manipulation in C++. Let's break down step by step and see the solution. Let's take a problem explanation. You are given a string as consisting of uppercase and lowercase letter. Your task is to convert all uppercase character into a lowercase letter. For example, hello world should become so hello world. Hello world first is in uppercase letter. Second is convert is in into lowercase letter. Say this is in relative order of character must remain each. Let's take an example. We have a hello string, which all characters are uppercase letter, and we show the output is a lowercase letter. So in this problem statement, constants in one less than s dot less than and equal to 100 s to s constant of printable ASCII character. And so my simple approach is that uh, we iterate through the string character by a character for each character. Check if it is an uppercase letter between A to Z. If it is, convert it into lowercase using ASCII manipulation. Subtract A and add A. Otherwise, leave the character as it is. So, so write the code for integer I is equal to 0. I less than s dot size I plus plus, then if s of I is greater than equal to a, and then s of I is less than equal to z, then sorry then s of I is equal to s of I minus a a plus a. This is simple code written. Yes. As you can see, we loop through each character of a string using I. If the character if the character between A and Z we convert into lowercase ASCII arithmetic uh, ASCII value using this arithmetic operation. This was because in ASCII uppercase letter and lowercase letter have fixed offset. So this is the code. We run the code and we show that every test case is so passed, and we this is the optimal approach. So thank you for watching my video.